let's write the sound umbrella or up. Hi children, welcome back again to my channel. Who is excited? Yay! Amazing. Okay, so my name is Miss Favor. And today I'm gonna be your teacher. Okay, so today we're gonna be learning to write a sound as you can see. Now, before we do that, I want you to look up the screen and let's say our sounds together. 1, 2, go.
Apple, apple, b, b, bag, b, k, cup, cup, d, d, dog, dog, d, e, elephant, frog, g, goat, g, house, hat, insect, j, jug, jug, king, king, lollipop, mop, net, orange, pot, queen, rat, snake, tap, umbrella, van, water, x, x-ray, yam, zip.
Oh my goodness, that was amazing. Give yourself a tush clap. Roll it up, tush, and let it go down. Amazing. I am super proud of you. Okay, so right now, I'm going to be showing you some sounds and I need you to tell me what sound it is. Miss Favor wants to be so sure that you can say your sound. So what sound is this? The sound what? I didn't hear that. Louder. Good job. And what about this one? The sound ink in the mouse. And let's see this one here. Like the hand or like you are hopping. Let's see. What about this one? Like your lollipop. And what sound is this? Again. Say it louder. The sound what? Like your frog or the what? Fish. What about this one? Amazing. There's a jolly phonics rhyme that goes what? Answer my arm, answer my arm, answer my arm, causing me alarm. That's the ant for And what about this one? Okay. And let's see this one. What sound is this? Yeah, like the Van. Okay, children, so today, that's okay. I can see that you know your sounds, okay? So today we're going to be learning to write the sound ah, 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 ah. Like you're going up or you're opening the umbrella. Okay, so today I have with me here my board. Can you see my board here? I have with me my board and my marker, and we're going to be learning to write the sound ah, okay? Now listen, this can be very tricky, but it is very easy. So we go a stroke down, make a loop, take it up, down the same line, and a little loop. Ah, ah, umbrella. So let's go again. A stroke down, make a loop. From the loop, can you see? Don't take your hands away. Up, down the same line and make a loop. That's the sound what? Ah, ah, ah. So you're going to be writing, you're going to be learning how to write it just the way we learned to write the stroke down and a loop for The goes a stroke down and a loop, right? But for the ah sound, when you do the loop, we take it up again the same line, then down the same line and a little loop there. That's the sound what? Ah, 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 umbrella. So let's go one more time again. A stroke down, make a loop, go up, down the same line and make a little loop there. That's the sound ah, ah, umbrella. Again, can we try that one more time? A stroke down, make a loop, stroke up the same line, down again and a loop. One more time. A stroke down, make a loop, take it up, down the same line and a little loop. That's the sound what? Ah, 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 umbrella. Did you enjoy writing this? Yay! So right now, we are going to connect ah to what? Ah. Okay? So we're going this way. We flip over and we're going to start with the sound ah. Remember, by now, you already know how to write the ah, okay, to the last one, which is what? T, t. So today, let's move on straight up. One to go. The ah, a back curve, stroke up, down the same line and make a loop. Remember, if you have not learned this, or you're joining us today, we already have a video on how to write the sounds. So please check in the description and this will guide you, okay? Then you come over and follow us to write the sound ah. So let's go again. The sound b. Stroke down, up the same line and a curve. A back curve, a buck. A back curve, stroke up, down the same line and make a loop. A buck, a dash and a back curve. Up curve, stroke down, make a swing and a dash. A buck, g. A back curve, stroke up, down the same line and make a swing. F, g. A stroke down, stroke up to the middle, down the heel and the loop. A, b, d, F, g. E, a stroke down, a loop and a dot. F, g, E, j. Okay, so we have a stroke down, make a swing and a dot. F, g, E, j. K. Stroke down, up to the middle, curve in, out, and a little loop. F, g, E, j. K. Stroke down, make a loop. J, k, stroke down, up the same line, down the hill, stroke up, down the same line, down the hill, and the loop. J, k, good job. A, b, k, d, F, g, E, j, k. Oh, amazing. P. Oh, p. Beautiful. Qu. J. K. Oh, p. Qu. Make a wave. Oh, p. Qu. And like the snake, the sound of a snake. Oh, p. Qu. Beautiful. Make a loop and a dash. And after that, we have one more. Let's go from the beginning. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, O, P, Q, R, S, T. And I'm amazing. Beautiful. A stroke down. Make a loop. Take it up. Down the same line and a little loop. That's the sound what? Umbrella. So you can see that we've learned how to write from to what? Are you going to practice this? Good job. I will love to see you practice it, okay? All right, children. So we are almost at the end of our video, and now let's see how we're going to connect again, writing the sound but this time we're going to flip the board this way, okay? So let's go. How do we write again? A stroke down, make a loop, take it up, down the same line, and a what? Little loop. Again, a stroke down, make a loop, stroke up, down the same line, and make a loop. That's the sound umbrella. Again, a stroke down, make a loop, up the same line, down, and the what? Loop. One more time, a stroke down, make a loop, take it up the same line, down the same line, and the loop. So you can see this is how we write the sound what? Umbrella. So mommy and daddy, if you want to give this task to your children, all you need to do is make it down, trace it, and then say the formations. Let the child repeat the formation and you go on. Yeah. Did you enjoy our lesson today on how to write the sound? Good job. Okay, children. So this is the end of our video, and I'll see you in the next video where we learn to write the sound what? I didn't hear that. Drive Bix Van round the village. Drive Bix Van round the village. Drive Bix Van round the village. The sound was as in van. So, see you in the next video where we'll learn to write a sound. Remember, till then, I need you to keep practicing. Watch this video over and over and subscribe. Bye, children. Bye.